There we go. I'm feeling the plant move a little bit. I think we're making some progress. Hi, I'm Debra Lee Baldwin, author of 3 books about succulents. This corn-cob euphorbia, it's been crammed into this little square pot now for 5 or 6 years, and it is time to replant it. You know, give it some TLC and display it beautifully in a one-of-a-kind pot. I got at a Cactus and Succulent Society show. It's by Porttown Pottery, Regina Fernandez. It's got lines and colors in it that are just perfect for this plant. Plus, it's a larger size, which the plant needs. But before I can do that, I have to go through the plant and tidy it up. Just as you would prune any plant, you look for dead or fallen branches, and I have that here. Fallen leaves that have gotten into the center of the plant. These are oak leaves. I love my oak trees because they create a dappled shade for my succulents, which is important in my inland Southern California garden, where it gets really hot in the summer and we get some frost in the winter. Long-handled tweezers. These are easy to get online. You can go to DebraLeeBaldwin.com to the tools page, and I have a link to where you can get them. Now, another essential tool when you're working with spiny plants, tongs, just regular kitchen tongs. And what I'm going to try to do here is to release the plant from the pot without breaking the plant. So I want to go after the largest trunk and just see if I can scooch it out of there without abrading the trunk too much. And no, it does not want to come out. So let's see what's going on underneath the pot. Do you see that? Its roots have grown out the bottom of the pot. The hole is plugged. There we go. We're getting somewhere. Pushing in, pushing down, lifting up with my tweezers. I'm starting to get a release of that root ball. All right. So where that's branching is the crown, and I want the crown to be just a little lower than the rim of the pot. Let's give it a good brushing. Get rid of any debris that's still stuck in there. If you need to cover holes in the bottom of a pot, just take a paper towel so that the holes are covered. I'm thinking, maybe 25% humus to 75% regular potting soil. Well, we lost another stem when I laid this down. Okay, another cutting. I want this centered in the pot. So if you're wondering if you centered something, stand directly over it, look down on it. Are you getting a sense of how this is working? Color of the glaze, the rim color. It's also the right size in terms of scale and proportion. Let's add more soil to fill that nicely. Trying not to get soil on the plant. Euphorbias are not cactus. Euphorbias are old world plants. Very similar conditions. Euphorbias have a milky sap, and that makes them dangerous. This is very much a keep away aspect of the plant. Once it roots into the soil, it'll be much more stable. These are rounded pebbles that have a warm tone. Oh, I'm liking this. Ow. And I think I have just enough top dressing. Yay! Those oval pads repeat the oval stones. And over here is a ribbed one, like a saguaro, that repeats the ribbing in the euphorbia. Here's our corn-cob euphorbia. It's probably quadrupled in size since I planted it in this pot. I'm Debra Lee Baldwin, and I wrote the book, Succulent Container Gardens. as well as Designing with Succulents and Succulents Simplified. So if you want to learn more, please check my books. They're full of great ideas, as is my website, DebraLeeBaldwin.com, and my YouTube channel. Well, the tips have pinked up nicely. It's been a few months since it was repotted, and it's very happy here on my deck. And it's right where we can see it when we sit outside. These plants could be compared to feral animals. You mean well, but they don't know that. They consider you a threat and try to bite you or keep you from getting any closer.